Hello everyone, my name is Byki Huntjens. I'm a senior lecturer at City University of London in the division of Optometry and Visual Sciences. Besides teaching contact lenses and clinical skills, my main role is that of program director for the BSc Optometry. What that means in short is that I'm responsible for the design and the delivery of the curriculum. I try to provide some inspiration and support for the program as a whole, and I'm also trying to ensure that there is a coherence when we are developing and delivering our modules. The whole show is run by about 20 colleagues, and we all lead at least one module on undergraduate and postgraduate level. So what does it mean on a day-to-day basis to be an academic? I guess the main things what you would expect is also true of this job. We prepare and deliver lectures as well as practical classes. We have very often meetings to discuss the curriculum for the program, what to do in certain modules, if a new type of technology comes out, how to incorporate that in the current curriculum. We talk about student progressions, and also we have a lot of meetings about what other programs do at the university, as well as new teaching or educational technologies that come out. Besides those meetings, we also set exams, we mark exams, we meet with our personal tutees, obviously. And in addition, more on the research level, we have to supervise undergraduate and postgraduate student projects, apply for grants, publish papers, and present at conferences, which is really a really nice thing to do, obviously.
A lot of my work is administrative, so I can often be found at my desk, which is in an open space, so I cannot make too much noise. I also work in the clinics, supervising labs or seeing dry eye patients. Sometimes I work on any PC around the university or from home. I do not work from 9 to 6. Working days are often longer, especially during certain times of the academic year. I appreciate the flexibility to work occasionally from home or arrive after rush hour and stay late after everyone has gone home. Nice and quiet as well. I love my job because it's so varied. Every day is different and full of challenges. You think it may be repetitive, but actually I have forgotten by the time the academic year starts all over again. Currently I'm writing references for my personal tutees who are applying for a Vision 8 overseas bursary.
An advantage of the job is meeting other educators as well as being involved in higher education reform. Personally, I struggle sometimes in finding time to do research. Mainly because there are often daily challenges that need my immediate attention, and often research is therefore taking a bit of a backseat. But this is probably the thing that I love doing the most, because being part of research, performing research and reading about it really influences the way that I teach. I would like to tell you a little bit about the journey that I've been on to become an academic, which is not something that I actually had in mind when I studied optometry in the Netherlands. I decided to go for 3 months to the University of Houston College of Optometry, and it really opened my eyes, so to speak, about various aspects of optometry other than working in practice. And it really inspired me. I decided to apply for a master's in investigative ophthalmology at the University of Manchester. After that year, I registered with the General Optical Council, and I also completed my PhD after that. And I went back into practice after the PhD, and I decided to apply for a clinical tutor post at City University. And I think that was essential for me to obtain a lectureship later on. If you are thinking of an academic career in optometry, I think you require a PhD. If you are looking for possibilities, I would recommend you sign up to jobs.ac.uk to stay informed about the job availabilities in lectureships, but as well as PhDs in the UK and abroad.